passion to serve our Father's land. All right? Passion to serve, passion to sacrifice for our Father's land. We're driven by so much of those passion, and that's why I respect him so much, and that's why I was really shocked. All right, that he had to just join our ancestors so early enough at the time where we needed warriors, heroes like him. We're not very much on the front line defending our land, and losing one of our very best is sort of a very shocking experience for me. Sort of a very shocking experience for me. And I know that he has joined our ancestors. He has transcended from the physical realm to the spiritual realm to be able to advocate for the greatness of our land. And that to me, it's what I think as positivity. That to me is what I take as positivity. It is very, very positive that he has moved. He decided to leave the Izoduwa behind and a couple of other forces so that he can move to even a higher realm. So that he can defend the very heritage of our land in a higher pedestal. So we are still walking in the physical realm. So he's going on to even a higher realm to advocate, to take the same crusade, the same message, the same epistle to the other side. And to me, that calls for celebration. So I'm giving him very big cheers. You know, so that guy said they drink well, say I not get job. So I'm giving him a very big cheers. And when Manani was dying or not dying on my hand, according to what the guy said. So I'm giving a very big cheer. So if you have your glasses, raise it up. Let's give a very big toast and cheers to our legend, our brother, the spiritual mentor. I do not agree with a lot of his teachings though, but he loved this land and we loved him equally. Just like it has been written, it has been all over the social media in the past 3-4 days. It shows it was actually a great man. And I want to assure you this day on the 22nd of August, 2021, that 4 years ago, I had said something that I will ensure that in my lifetime, Valentine's Day will be obliterated from our calendar. Thank God that we are gradually getting to an extent that every February 14th, we will no longer be celebrating Valentine's Day, but rather Queen Eden's Day. All right? So I give you my word. In one of our press conference early this year, we said that June 28th, every year, starting from the year 2022, we are going to be celebrating Benin Kingdom Heroes Day. Starting from next year, June 28th, 2022, we're going to be celebrating Benin Heroes Day, our fallen heroes. And I can assure you, Dr. Oguname's name will be well represented on that day and every other day, every year. from 2022. It's a promise that I'm making to all of you here. And I'm not known as a person that break promises. So he will be celebrated along every other heroes that have sacrificed their lives for this land. June 28, 1899, Ologbose was tried and unjustly killed. And that is why we declared June 28, starting from next year, Benin Heroes Day. Dr. Oguname will be represented on that day every year. And he will, when we are mentioning the Ologbose, the Nekirigidi, the Irui, the Oba Isiagbon, all of those great heroes of our land during the British invasion 1897, and every heroes and heroines that have fought for the liberation of these Edo lands, Dr. Oguname will be mentioned along with them. It is a promise Izodowa has made. Izodowa is not known to break promises. I will keep my promise. June 28 next year, we will all celebrate all of them, including Dr. Oguname. So I don't think we should mourn him. We should only be happy that he has transcended from this realm to another realm. We shouldn't mourn him. He has transcended. He's now in a very higher pedestal, fighting for the same cause that he fought when he was with us. So, so may his soul resting in the bosom of God, Usanowodwa, and our ancestors in Nikau, Wayawese. So I thank all of you who has always supported him. And like I've said, his legacies will never be forgotten. So having said that, he has been spiritually coronated. No, I don't take alcohol again. But this is red wine. I heard it's very good for the heart. And don't forget, I don't take alcohol again. We are mourning our brother. Alcohol I am mourn. Someone actually called Odayon Baba. So we Yugo Yogo or Wese. Omana even nota Nikakabo Wemo. Someone asked me a question. Ask him a question that but I go get my boy you what then I will not do mama First timer choice, lovely about here. So we should all rejoice. We should all rejoice and not be sad. We should all rejoice and not be sad. I was sad on Thursday, on Friday, but I'm not sad anymore. I'm not sad anymore. Well, we are quite aware of what actually led to his death. We are quite aware. We're quite aware of what actually led to his death, but trust me, it's not something that I would say in any public forum. And so you people have to understand that. All right? You people have to understand. So quit asking me. I won't say. All right? Okay, I won't say. All right. So, okay. Having said that, let's move on. It's in our heart and we'll continue to remember. Yeah, we can do that. No problem. Jenny Jasper. We can do that. No doubt about that. He deserves it. It will, like I've said, I've given you my word on the 22nd of August 2021. He will not be forgotten. I will ensure that he doesn't. I've always said one thing. As far as Oduwa is still alive, Oduwa will ensure that every single hero and heroines of Edoland are all remembered. And that is why we are creating a day, June 28th, every year to celebrate the fallen heroes and heroines of Edoland. So it's my call to ensure that everybody or anybody that sacrificed will be remembered. Hmm? Will be remembered. Quickly, having said that, let me quickly talk about the Oluwari coronation. Prince Shola Emiko, who is now being proudly addressed as Olu, or more better, Ogiame Atuwashe the Third. Ogiame Atuwashe the Third. Ogiame Atuwashe